Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Wednesday 25 of May. And damn, oh damn, it's been a very boring kind of situation for like 10 days now, 9 days. And really, man, I'm just sick and tired of what is going on, to be honest with you guys. So right now we are still in huge suspense. I'm not really sure if Bitcoin does really want to go to 35k or it does want to drop to the 20k. Now it all depends on the market psychology. So many people are still so bearish right now. Many people are like, there's too much fear going on in the market, so that's when the prices tends to go to the upside. But by the looks of things, the upward direction might not come anytime soon. So what is happening here is that I'm just going to show you this chart right over there, and let's bring in the chart and let's talk about Bitcoin on a 4-hour time frame, because that's where the magic really is. So yesterday I talked about how Bitcoin is looking to make this particular ascending triangle sort of, and right now it seems like you already are above the ascending triangle. Once again, you broke to the downside and then you broke it, and now you are back to the triangle. Okay, so that really means that you're making an extended version of this triangle, of this symmetrical triangle. Still, it's getting extended. It's coming inside the ranges of the previous wicks, basically. And what I mean by that is that, you see, when you have a wick down here, right? When you do have a wick, something like this down right over there, then there is some possibility that you still come down like this, and you can make a new support right over here, and then you still start to move to the upside. So I don't know if you understand the logic here, but when you have wicks to the downside, you can create a range. You can come to a range of the previous wicks. Now let's say this line right over here is drawn like this. What if I try to actually bring it down to the wicks? Okay, you can still create a very long range of the wicks to continue with the downtrend, right? So this is the wick right over there, and this wick you can actually redraw everything like this one, right? But that's actually something that I'm not looking forward to. This is way more clean and way more better to me. But the upper resistance seems like probably the one that can be adjusted. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually drag this one right over there and lay it down like this, and this one I'm gonna lay it down like that one, so that it actually just gets a little bit cleaner. And you can see this is almost getting extended day by day. Today is Wednesday. We're gonna start Thursday tomorrow. Thursday can actually be a little bit of a green candle, to make people buy into the idea that we're gonna go up. But if you continue like this by Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then there's a good chance that actually you don't go to the upside. Or who knows, you can actually pump in the weekend as well. So right now, yesterday we talked about the bear flag got invalidated. The bear flag, which was supposed to take you to 27,800, actually came down to 28,730, and then went for the retest, but passed the retest, broke the bear flag, and now it's invalidated. And now it's just creating a even way more larger, some sort of a bigger symmetrical triangle with every single time that the prices are trying to get squeezed. But I saw the Binance chart, and on the Binance chart it actually looks quite different from what I do see from the Bitcoin chart as well. On the Binance chart, it's almost like you really lost this trend line. Okay, it's like you have lost the trend line basically. I don't know if I have to turn off the log or not, but I don't think there's any issue with the log scale. But on the Binance chart, it actually, if I do draw the support level down here, then this bearish engulfing that you see actually means that you've lost the trend line. But on the tradingview.com chart, you are looking for something like this, up and down, and something like that, coiling up. Now we're going to have this decision coming by 28th of May. So what is 28th of May? And if we can try to see for 28th of May on the calendar, then what day is 28th of May? That's what I really want to see. Is it weekend? Are you actually making decisions in the weekend? Why is the calendar not opening, guys? Oh, here we are. So 28th is going to be Saturday. And you know Saturday's weekend, okay? So maximum time it's gonna be 28, maybe 3 more days, 2 more days of another boring sideways movement, and then finally you go down, or you start to actually break from this point and boom, you start to move to the upside. It is what it is, and I've already explained the detailed part of Bitcoin and the next possible scenarios. So let's see what it does from this point of time. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to do anything, and just wait for the decision to come in. Which direction do you go? And that's it for today's update, guys. Do join our Discord. The link is in the description of the video. You can click this link, and you're going to be in. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.